What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I am a moderator at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right, we're a real LLC out of the state of Wisconsin. No, we are not licensed financial advisors or professionals, but we do like to trade. We like to trade on technicals, crypto, and all that good stuff. And so this is the Swing Weekly recap for the week of August 30th, I think. Yes. Let me double check. August 30th. August 27th. Wow, no, not 27th. Hold on a second. August 30th. There we go. So this is the swing recap for August 30th. I'm also going to be announcing the August winner. Back in June, I think Matthew won, and then July, I think we had Pickle Rick won July. And so the guy who won this month, I'm really excited to announce because one of the trades that he had was a really good return, and the way he traded it was maybe a little different than most other people would have traded, but nonetheless, he came out very profitable. So I wanted to make sure that I showcase him in this video. So go to our website, optiongoatsllc.com. If you go down here, it'll show you that if you join the free, it'll give you the general chat and free trading ideas. And then the OG Prime membership, it gives you the Prime chat, daily watch list, or excuse me, not the daily watch list. You get the OG Flow bot is basically what you're paying for the OG Prime membership now. Instead of paying $60 a month, if you use the code SPRING30, you'll be able to use it for 3 months for $30 each instead of $60. So you save what is that, $90? And so yeah, so there's our website. And then if you go to our YouTube, make sure to hit like and subscribe on the bottom right of the video. Here's our swing recaps every week that we've been doing, where I basically go over the profits of everyone. I go over the plays that I've made, some of the ones that work, some of them that don't work, that didn't work, and then also any kind of trades that some of our members have done. And then I'll finish off with the OG Prime monthly winner. So let's get started. Here's our Discord server right here. So let's go through the bot real quick. So if you're a scalper, for instance, the bot spits about 20 to 30 of these every day. So it tells you the symbol is COF, the entry is this, the position is here, which is short, target is that, stop loss is that, and the potential profit is 0.37. It tells you which collateral that you should, which contract you should be buying on expiration or strike. So it's something that's really nice for scalpers if you want to try scalping. Repeated flow is really nice in the morning. This spits about 30 to 40 to maybe 50 a day. Just tell you what kind of calls, or excuse me, what kind of contracts are being bought and sold in large lots. So the bullseye bot. So if you wanted to just go, just scan the bullseye bot calls outs, for instance, if I go to this one, this bullseye bot idea tells you to buy AMD. The strike is at 109, expiration is 9/3/21, call by the call, AI confidence, premium spent, the volume and OI. And if I click on this link right here, it's going to pull up the history of the call out. And as you can see right here, it's up 6.8%. It's based on this 15-minute time frame where it uses the VWAP and EMA and support and resistances. So right now it's saying to buy a call because it's at a support right here at this 109.89. It looks like it's already green. So that's like an idea. If you have the OG Prime membership, you have access to this. So it's a very, very useful bot in my opinion. If you're a crypto trader, here's crypto breakouts and reversals, continuations, and then these are the actual breakouts that you could be using for crypto where they spike up like this. So really cool that now they have the chart on here now too. Very, very cool. Very cool. Okay, so let's go through some of the profits that we had this past week. Let's see here. Let's see, it was August 30th. It was August 30th, so I was right. All right, so here's the guy. I'm just going to show him now, but it was MB617. This guy won last month's monthly Hall of Fame winner. He had, excuse me. Well, hold on. Let me go through these first. So QQQ, he made money, made $55 on this Q put. It looks like. Yep, Q put, and then it looks like 13% again on a 380 put, and then looks like 35%, but it was 226 right there. Nas, hell yeah, man. Spent 80 bucks, made 100, so made about 22% there, making money there. And then also on Timas, bought a $300 contract and sold for 460. So right on, Nas, right on. And then again with Apple, spent 80, cashed out 206, made over 100% gain right there on Apple. Nice job there, Nas. Nice job there, Nas. Looks like you traded Apple again here too, made 142 on the day on Apple. Hell yes. And then also made it on UPS, bought a call for 137, sold for 161. Hell yes. And then AES on the past month has been up 552 bucks, 13%. Let's fucking go. I love it, guys. I love it. 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 So let's take a look here. There was a guy, if I can find, oh, here it is. So this is the play that MB had. This was this was last week. As you can see right here, let me pull it up. This is the Hall of Fame winner for August. So he had 13.5 calls for August 27th. These are weeklies at an average price of $3, and he had 400 of them. The mid price now is $6. His market value is now $25.93. The open P&L he made was $15.29, which is $143, 143% gain. So, excuse me. The August winner is MB617. Say it with me, MB617. Congratulations, MB. You have won. What did you win? That's probably a good question, right? You won the monthly August winner, which means you can either pick, you want 50 bucks cash that we can send to you, or we can send you an OG Prime, Option Goats trading shirt. So congratulations, MB. You're killing it. The shirt is worth $100 if you wanted to do that. If you wanted to do that route. If not, you can just take the 50 bucks cash. But anyways, so congratulations, MB. That was awesome. So let's go through some of the plays that we had. I wanted to make sure I go over some of the member plays too. So let's see, this one that was on the 30th. Here we go. On the 30th, here we go. Okay. So Pickle Rick just killing it. Q's here. Came out with Q's. Well, he's talking about the PFE call that I got there. That's not the one I'm looking at. Here's the Q's. So up 15% here total on Q's. Made a good trade in a day, made it over to 30% and then cashed out. And then Pickle Rick also made on BA. Holding the BA, now up 67 bucks. Heck yes. And then BA here, got out here with 28 bucks. And got in a BA, and then I actually made a butterfly out of that play as well. So let's get started. So let's go over some of the plays that didn't work this week, that expired. Okay, Q's. God, Q's really mooned. Q's really took off this week. We had the 374, 373 call vertical spread right up here when it hit a resistance, and then it just basically took off again. We took the max loss of 86 bucks, but the premium was 114. So was it really that bad? You know, where it was really wasn't as bad as it could have been. That could have been reversed. I could have been at a loss of 114 instead of the 86. So still a little salty about it, but nothing too crazy. Again, it was only 86 bucks, so was not too worried there. The only other one that we had to close, excuse me, sorry, Saturday morning, I woke up super early. Okay, Cisco. So this was another one, took off. It took off after ER. I shorted the top here, and lo and behold, it kept going. 56, 57 call vertical spread. We lost 51 bucks. So we lost our 100% of our collateral in that trade. So let's keep going. What else did we make for this week? So on August 31st, we made a Comcast deal. Comcast again has taken off. A lot of tech this week took off. A lot of tech this week took off. So Comcast, we shorted the 60, 50, and then also the 61. It came above, so our max loss is 56, but premium that we collected was 44. So this one was a little bit tricky, but we did get enough time where it's not going to expire next week. It's going to expire the week after that. So not too worried about that one. Still got a good amount of time. And then BA, I made a butterfly spread, which basically means, here, why don't I just draw it out for you guys? So let's do this. So 232, 50, and 235, 237.50. Let's put 237.50. For those of you that have not watched this video, if you have any questions in regards to about, let's see, 232.50. There we go. Any questions about OG Prime, how the Discord works? If you're curious like how Tradedics work, you know, you can just look up Tradedics. And you can just see that this guy is kind of disrupting the bot server game. This guy has a lot of let me see, Discord. There's a lot of different here, why don't I just show you? If I go to Prime Chat and I do TRSR levels, and let's say Baba, let's say I could use M for minute, D for daily, W for weekly. Let's look at the weekly. So here's Bob on the weekly and gives you support and resistances. If I want to see flow sum on Netflix, it's going to tell me the premiums, volume, open interest, out the money, in the money, calls, puts, buys, and sells. Okay. If I want to see maybe a projections on, let's say, BA. It's going to give me projections on a bearish scale and also on a bullish scale. Now, let's say, so what the bot really does, and this is probably my favorite part about the bot, is that it takes all of the option flow, whether it's buys and sells, right? Because it can tell if it's buys and sells depending on where it gets filled at the ask and the bid. Okay. If I were to do TR algo flow, let's say we were looking at a stock like BA. So that green score that you're seeing is the algo score, and the price is on the left. Typically, when the algo starts to come back up, that is when the stock starts to go up too, based on the algo score. As you can see right here, the algo started going higher as the stock started to go up higher as well. The algo is much higher than where the stock price is at. So if I had to guess, BA might be popping next week. So, okay, so anyways, looking at BA. So let's see, this is for next week. We need the stock to come up to 235 next week, which would be 910. So right up here. Airlines do give some guidelines next week. So that's basically what we're going to be looking for. All of the airlines are going to say, you know, whether or not they're going to have a good season or not. So it's kind of big news. So I wanted to place a $3 butterfly spread just to see where BA pops. So what that means is that I buy the 232.50, sell the 235, and I buy the 237.50. Risk is $3, max order is 247 if it's by 235 on expiration. Okay. The only other play that I had, made a really low probability Tesla play here. So I went way out. So at 17, I think it was 1700. Yeah, right up here. So I bought 10 of these for 80 bucks, 1700 to 1750 call debit spreads. Very, very, very low probability. Very, very low probability. But these have treated me well in the past. Max profit technically would be 25K. I've already wasted a good amount of money on making $25 and $100K spreads, but on Tesla, this is probably the only stock that I would ever do that on. It's 80 bucks. If it ever actually makes it up here, we'd be at about 12 or 13K returns. So really, really liking that play. Pfizer, really low probability, but you know what? It's kind of nice. So I have 3 of these now. I'm buying the dip on Pfizer. News came out last week that J&J and Moderna are going to be paused for booster shots, but Pfizer has already got approved. So I bought the 70 calls for March, literally way the hell out here. For 70, it's been pop and pops. I wouldn't be surprised if November, January, we actually get to 70. So really excited about that play. And seeing where Pfizer goes in the coming months. So really looking forward to it. Oh, let me make sure that this is. Yeah. And so, yeah, really looking forward to it. Right now it's under the 200 MA. So we'll see what happens. But other than that, kind of a low. I did buy 12 shares of PDT last week. So I'm really happy that I got to do that. This has been paying me a good dividend every month. So really looking forward to buying more in the future. So, but anyways, looking forward into next week. We're still holding some plays. I'll go over them next week. I just want to make sure I go over some of the open plays that we had. Congratulations to MB617 on making on winning the monthly winner again. He's either going to win, either he wants $50 or you can get the OG Trading LLC shirt. MB, just contact Elmo if you have any questions. Other than that, guys, that's about it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video, right down here. And don't forget to use the code SPRING30 if you wanted to upgrade to the OG Prime membership. And then don't forget to hit subscribe to our YouTube videos. So other than that, guys, have a great week. Stay trading, stay positive, right? Don't let the trades get you down. I'm red on a good amount of positions right now, but that's okay. Next week, I'm gonna have better news and see what kind of trades that we've got coming next week. So thank you guys. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and then we'll talk to you next week. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.